What's up, gang? By the end of this video, you're gonna learn the exact system and strategy that I use, first of all, to implement my strategy in the market, but also copy trade. It is one of the biggest blessings that I've ever discovered in trading, and you will understand it entirely by the end of this video, man. So I entered this trade last night. So I primarily trade Asian session. I showed my strategy. I'm just showing the entry and the exit just so people don't think I'm capping. You guys see that the market is literally live right now. If I press reset, you'll see that I was about to say you'll see that it's live. So the market's going, up and down. That means it's live. But I hit break even twice during Asian session. I'll B-roll the clip. It was the worst. So what I did was, let me go ahead and take it back and show you guys the exact entry that I had, what I was looking for. So on the 15-minute on gold, I've been trading gold and NQ lately. What I've been doing is marking the highs and lows. And so this was the low that I needed marked, and there was a high that I was hoping to have marked. So I was just waiting for the breakaway. That's my strategy. We trade off the breakaway, and I ended up dropping to the 15 seconds. So I trade from the 15-minute to the 15-second. A lot of my students still trade from the 1 hour to the 3-minute, 2-minute, 1 minute, all that stuff. I go into deep detail about my strategy and how you can get good entries and what you look for before price crosses your line. How do you know when to enter a specific trade? All of that stuff, it is in my course, which is on sale right now. But what I did was I saw that there was a fair value gap that was forming right here, and I was a bit late to the market. I honestly would have entered off of this gap, but I was just late to the market. I didn't know. So I set alerts so I'm not staying at the charts all day. And what ended up happening was my alert went off, and I saw that it went off like, a minute, 2 minutes later. And I was like, shoot, man, I'm late. So, and I was supposed to be asleep. So that, it's okay. So I'm gonna draw a box to where my actual gap was right here. And it was like right here. I wanted to get off the wick just in case, price didn't want to trigger me all the way in, because it was just sinking. And what ended up happening was I went for a 1 to 2. Sometimes it's really just intuition of just where my take profit is. So I ended up going for that, and I had a sniper entry, and literally price just fell. It was the craziest thing. But what made it crazier was the sniper exit. If you guys can see, I'm gonna reset the chart view just so you guys can see what price did after it hit my TP. It was absolutely insane. First of all, you see that wick on the 5-minute, that's insane. And the price just starts going up. So I literally had a sniper exit and a sniper entry. This was one of the better trades that I've had in a long time. I'll get sniper exits pretty often, but this one, to get a sniper entry and a sniper exit and then price reverse, like I caught the actual bottom of that move. That was really, really cool. So I ended up banking 1,100 on it. I'm really trying to go for just small profits. My goal is to have $1,000 a day. Now, I try to rotate between 5 different prop firms at a time, so that if I have a bad day or if I go on tilt, because I did last week, I blew my Lucid accounts, but if I go on tilt, it doesn't blow all the funded accounts. So I'm rotating between different ones, and the goal is to have 5 different prop firms that I'm trading with at a time, along with my personal account. And so that's how I'm doing that. I want to show you guys the best prop firm that is absolutely out right now for futures that I trade with, and I don't care what anybody says about nothing. They are the best prop firm. Before I do that, I want to show you guys my Discord, because my students have been killing it. So if we go on the indicator wins, this was Sunday night, and I need to tell this guy to post in past challenges. They be posting in the wrong stuff sometimes, but people are crushing with the indicators. She traded and made a killing on this, and this is with the indicator. You see where it says short filled? This is my breakout indicator, and she just absolutely killed with it. Right here, he caught a sniper entry and a sniper exit, and he was trading on the 3-minute. She had TP from the indicator. Her entry was right here, pretty much a sniper entry as well, and got out, looked like a sniper exit. Lone Wolf has been crushing it in the market, is on a 5-day win streak right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6-day win streak. And he said that darn indicator, and of course, is the truth, done for today. My stuff is crazy. Even this person right here, he said this was his first trade using the indicator, and he got a sniper entry and price hit his TP. This was the craziest one right here. I bought an account and used the indicator, did 2 trades and passed my eval. That's insane. He passed a 50K eval using the indicator of 2 trades. This is what I do it for, man. This is what I do it for. Somebody said all my TPs hit on my prop firm account up 2,000 and just made it. And these are all the trades that fired for the indicator. So the indicator is the truth. It trades my strategy. It's crazy. It works on options too. The indicator is the truth, guys. So I'm gonna go through Tradeify because they are absolutely the best prop firm. But then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over copy trading and just understand how does that work? What do you need to do it effectively? What's a good strategy to go about it so you're not wasting a whole bunch of money? The reason I love Tradeify, not only do they have 3 different accounts that you can choose from and they're affordable, but for the 50K accounts, for the growth and the select, you can buy 5 at a time. Nobody else is doing that. You can buy 5 accounts at a time. And what happens is you can go right to TradeSyncer, you can upload them, and you can just add them to your accounts. It is the craziest thing. I don't believe anybody else is doing that. They pay out very quickly. Now, I will say from my experience, they give the 3rd fastest payouts. The first one is MyFunder Futures. By far, they hang their hat on the fact that they have the fastest payouts. It is a fact. They pay in seconds. I would hit that button and go to my account and it's right there, like seconds. And then Tradeify is number 3 for sure. I'm not telling y'all number 2, Lucid. Lucid won't give me an affiliate deal, so I'm hating on Lucid right now. And I blew my accounts with them last week, so I'm hating on Lucid right now. But Lucid's really, really good. Come on, Lucid. But if you guys use my affiliate link, or if you guys use my codes, you can get a big percentage off for Tradeify. So use those guys. They're really, really good. They allow you to trade with TradeEvade, which allows you to trade on TradingView, Wealth Charge, and then TradeSyncer. So I just really, really love Tradeify. They're so good. I want to go to TradeSyncer and just show you guys some of the things that they have, which is really cool. So if you go to their homepage, they show you first of all, the community P&L, which is really cool. I used to find big inspiration on this when you're able to see what other people are making in the market. Like when I wasn't profitable, it was so helpful to just identify like, man, like this person made 6,000, this person made 14,000. Shoot, I probably been on this list because I made 20,000 last week. Like this stuff right here, they show the losses too. That's just really cool to me. That's really, really cool. This person made 8,000. That's so cool, man. They also show you the news as well. So we know, we got CPI this week. So you got to be very, very careful this week. We reached all-time highs last week and they had a major dump on indices on Friday, which it was the biggest dump that we've seen since 2022. So that was really, really crazy. They show you different market news and everything, tutorials. It's a great tool that you can use. So what you'll do is you'll go to your connections tab. So let's just say that you bought 5 accounts with Tradeify using my link, right? Or my promo code, which is Kalin Trades. Let's just say you did that. And instead of paying 600, you paid like 490, which is what happens if you type Kalin Trades, and you went in here. You would go to your connection and you would just call it whatever the heck you want because it's an eval and we don't care about evals until we're funded. Then we care. I'm just joking. You care all the time. You have great psychology. You care. So if you use Rhythmic, you can use Rhythmic. They do TradeEvade, NinjaTrader, DXFeed, Project X, TradeC, all that stuff. So what you can do is you will go to demo and then you'll go to continue and then you'll put in your username and all of that stuff. That's how you do that. You connect it, and then what you do as soon as it connects, it'll bring you back to this page and then it'll show you your account, and then you just go to details, you make sure that you enable it. What you'll do after that is you'll go to your cockpit, and then you want to make sure with the contracts, you want to make sure, like if you trade gold, right, you're going to put in the ticker, or you can just type in gold. You'll put in the ticker and then you'll make sure that these are checked. So if you trade NASDAQ, then you'll put in NQ. You want to make sure that you have that. If you trade silver, you make sure you just put these. I'm gonna enable silver because you never know. You never know when silver just gets right. But that's how you enable it. And then the thing with copy trading, right, is you have one master account. So one account is the leader and all the other accounts follow. So let's just say that you was like, I am going to trade with 20 different accounts at once. I'm going to do that. This account will be your master account. So you're only focusing on one account, and then you're copying all of the other accounts. So they're doing exactly what you're doing. Now, I will say with Lucid, I give them a hard time. They're really good. What I will say about Lucid, from my experience, is that there's a lot of slippage with it. So if you do use Lucid as a leading account, just know you'll make 1,100, but then the other accounts will be like 1,200, 900, 1,500. It's like slippage that way, which is really weird. And I believe that they are working on it, but that you wouldn't want to lead with it. Now, if you lead with Tradeify using my affiliate link and promo code, it will copy all of them together and it'll be the same thing. I'm gonna try to find a video of when I made the 20K just to show you guys. Actually, I don't think I made 20K with it. Yeah, I'll show you guys that video, and you know, as I'm B-rolling it, just to show you guys what it looks like or how it's supposed to look. So we have that. I also forgot to mention with Tradeify that they do have a consistency rule in the eval stage. Now, I go with the daily because I don't like waiting 5 days to get a payout that's already capped, which all the platforms are doing. I do the daily. And with the daily, they do have a max drawdown. But the cool thing with the daily is if you make 1,000 one day, you withdraw it, then you make 1,000 the next day, you withdraw, you make 1,000, you know, and then they end up moving you live. But what you'll do is you'll make sure that as you're trying to get funded, if you have the 50K, you don't go over 1,200, because if you go over $1,200 in profit, then they're going to extend the profit target. That's what I forgot to mention with them. But back with TradeSyncer, it's really, really good. You know, you have the different groups, you have risk management where you can lock the account. So if you go to a certain number, you can lock the account, which is great. This has been in beta for a long time and they finally got it, which is great. And again, they have the economic calendar, they have the journaling, and then they got the different prop firms you can use. Now, we don't use them. We use Prop Firm Match to identify what prop firm we want to use, which is the greatest. Use my affiliate link for them as well. TradeSyncer is really good too, but Prop Firm Match gives you more because they give you the reviews, they give you the star rating, they give you all these different things that you can do. And it's just really, really good. And they give you big discounts when you use Prop Firm Match. So I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. Hey, what I want you to do is check out this video right here. I believe that it's going to be a very, very big blessing for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.